Hello friends, my name is Lalit Singh Mehta and today we are going to conduct a test or a practical based on compression testing on wood material, and this is the Strength of Materials Lab, Department of Mechanical Engineering. So we are going to conduct the compression testing. So this is the wood material, this is how it looks like. So this is the material or the specimen on which the compression testing will be done. So I will write the dimensions of this wood material. So with the front view, if we go, so means like this. If we see the figure like this, then the dimensions are, this is 66 mm and this is 45 mm. So 66 by 45. So this is the front view of the specimen, and on this specimen the compressive load will be acted like this, correct? The compressive load will be acting like this. So it will be pressed something like this wood material. So the cross sectional area will be this. So I will make the cross sectional area here. So this is the front view and this is the cross sectional area. So cross sectional area is, this is 20 mm, all dimensions are in mm, 20 mm by 45 mm. So this is the cross sectional area of this figure. So this is the front view, this is the cross sectional area, and the load will be acted like this, like this. So on this material the compressive load will be acting. I am drawing the FBD here. Suppose this is the, and this is the load P, correct, with some axis. So as we know, stress, which is denoted by sigma, in our case it is the compression testing, so I will denote it by sigma C. So stress is nothing but it is the internal resistive force to deformation per unit cross sectional area. So stress is the resistance provided by this body to the external loading. So sigma C will be equal to load upon area, cross sectional area. So load is denoted by P and area is A. So area we already know, this is the cross sectional area, 45 into 20 mm, this is the cross sectional area, and this load we will get from the UTM machine, or we can say universal testing machine. So this load will be applied on this specimen by means of a UTM machine. So we get the load value from the UTM machine, and then when we get the load and the cross section area with us, we can directly calculate the, we can say, compressive stress. The compressive stress can be calculated by load by area. This compressive stress can be called as compressive strength also. This compressive stress can be called as compressive strength, as we know that it is the strength, it is the compressive strength of this wood material to withstand the load, because stress and strength accompanies each other. Stress is nothing but it is the internal resistive force of the material to resist deformation per unit cross sectional area, and compressive strength is same, means the strength of the body to withstand the compressive load. So we can say that compressive stress and compressive strength are one and the same thing. So next we will see how this experiment, how this compressive load is acted on this wood material, and what is the value of compressive stress which we get. Hope your concept about the theoretical part of the practical is clear now. Next we will move for the experimental setup purpose. Thank you for watching.